Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and I have made a video. I've been showing you where I get my free yarn, and I get it from scrap store. And this is, as you can see, this is also something I turn into yarn. As you can see, it's got holes in it, but the yarn otherwise is very good. And I have plenty of this. I got it from there, from storage, from scrap store. And then what I do, I unravel them into something like this. You see, it's multicolored, has tails, odds and ends, as you can see, but I hide them when I knit with a crochet hook. I hide them through the stitches, and all in all is a good yarn. And this kind of like pieces of sweater or pullover, whatever you might call, it's with defects. It's got, like, you see, holes, and basically not everyone would want to get this from the scrap store. But when I've seen this, I was like thinking, well, I have to make this as my project. You see, another hole here. And to be environmentally healthy, I thought I'm going to do something with this pieces. As you can see, they are like machine woven, knitted with a machine. I've got plenty of them. As you can see, another one, another two in here, another one here. It's a lot that you can unravel and turn it into yarn, and you can do interesting projects. Have a look. Another hole. And of course, this kind of stuff, it's laying around in a scrap store for like weeks and weeks, because people cannot use this kind of pieces for anything. And of course, because I do eco-friendly items, I knit, even things like this I could turn into yarn and do something useful. So this is the ball of yarn which I gather from these pieces. It takes a while, obviously. I had to wash this pieces, and then I have to dry them, and then I have to unravel them. And as you can see, I can do even bigger yarn from it, like this, like so. And I can show you what else I'm doing. It's this that I do. So this is a crochet hook project which I do now. You see, it's a top which I want to do. This is a top with this kind of yarn that I've shown you, and it looks pretty good. And I hide the stitches, the tails in between the stitches, and you can't even see any imperfections. That's how good this yarn can be. And as you can see, it's quite even. The knitting is quite even. I use 2.5mm hook. As you can see, 2.5mm hook. And it's a nice project. I love it. I think the colors are terrific. And you can do a lot of things. This is a marker which I use to show me which is the front of this t-shirt that I'm doing. And I also made from this scrap yarn even something like this, which is a headband. It's also a crochet hook, and as you can see, it's very beautiful. I love it. I think it's pretty. I'm wearing at the moment another one like this. I've made 2 hairbands from this yarn, and it holds the hair very nicely. It's a nice accessory, and it seems to be quite nice and quite good and original and unique. So next time when you see scrap wool like that from pullovers, and even if it has some defects, you can still turn into good new things and do something beautiful, as this, for instance, as my top which I've shown you just now, and something like this, which is a headband. I would like to do another headband from this yarn, but with a different stitch, so I think it will be quite good. By the way, I wanted to show you, I've got myself, so this is also scrap yarn, the same yarn, and I've got myself this special ball made from wood, and it's very good. It helps the yarn to stay into place, and when you knit, it goes with you. So I love it. Even this scrap yarn is also very good for something, for a bowl like this, which helps you easier to do knitting when you use it. So yeah, this headband is quite successful. I love it. I'm wearing it with pleasure, and hopefully you're going to do also such projects, unusual projects as me, and maybe you can find a scrap store in your locally, and maybe you can also get inspired like I do, get inspired when I see scrap yarns, potential scrap yarn for a real yarn that you can just give a life to something new and be eco-friendly, and I think it's great. So think about next time when you see something, don't avoid trying out to do projects like I do. So thank you very much for watching us, for subscribing, and see you in the next videos. Please like my videos, and see you soon. Bye.